Traveling can be exciting, but it can also throw off your healthy habits. How can you stay on track while you're on the go? In this video, we'll share tips and tricks for maintaining your health and wellness while traveling, backed by science. First up, pack nutritious snacks. When you're on the road, it's easy to grab unhealthy options. Plan ahead with healthier choices. Studies show that having healthy snacks on hand can help maintain energy levels and prevent overeating unhealthy airport food. Opt for snacks high in fiber and protein to keep you full longer and avoid sugar crashes. But while traveling, it's essential to stay active. Long flights or car rides can leave you feeling sluggish. There are simple ways to keep moving. Take short walks whenever you can, whether it's around the airport, your hotel, or even through a scenic park. Incorporating small exercises can improve circulation and reduce the negative effects of sitting for long periods. Getting quality sleep while traveling is crucial for maintaining your energy and mental health. Try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule even when crossing time zones to avoid jet lag. Studies show that maintaining good sleep habits can boost your immune system and help you fight off travel-related illnesses. Hydration is key when traveling, especially during flights, which can be very dehydrating. Carry a refillable water bottle and make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps maintain energy, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking great during long trips. Traveling can be stressful, so don't forget to care for your mental health too. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, or listen to calming music to reduce stress during busy travel days. Mental wellness is just as important as physical health, and managing stress can improve your overall well-being. With a little planning and some healthy habits, you can stay energized and well throughout your travels. Remember, prioritize sleep, stay active, hydrate, and pack those healthy snacks. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel wellness tips.